Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we start some more important question of the chapter first of class 7th integer. Let's see. In previous video we have discussed MCQ of the integers and very short question and short question. Today we are discuss about the long questions of the chapter first of class 7th, which is integers. Let's see. Question first. It is given that you have rupees 500 in your saving account at the beginning of the month. The record below shows all of your transactions during the month. How much money is in your account after the transaction? Let's see. This is transaction of the account. Let's see. Amount at the beginning of the month, that is given 500 rupees. Let's see. Then payment to jail board on 4/9, that is 120. Let's see. Payment on jail board is 120. It means पे किया है तो क्या है उस अकाउंट में से क्या हुआ है, अमाउंट क्या हुआ, कम हुआ है. इट मीन्स पे किया तो -120. एंड डिपॉजिट के लिए हमेशा साइन यूज करते हैं प्लस एंड पेमेंट के लिए माइनस. लेट्स सी. देन डिपॉजिट on 4/9 is 200. Then 500 is the amount beginning of the month and he pays 120. Then the amount in the bank is 500 minus 120, that is 380. But he deposit 200 on a day, then 380 add with 200, that is 680 is the amount on 4/9. Then on 22/9 he pay 240. He pay 240, then pay have the symbol is negative and deposit 150. Then 680 have the amount, then he pays 240 and deposit 150. Then we solve. 680 have the positive sign and the 240 have negative. Both have opposite sign. Then we subtract. 680 minus 240, that is 8 minus 4, that is 4, and 6 minus 2, that is 440. Then he deposit 150 rupees. Then we add 440 add with 150, that is add with 0, 4 and 5, that is 9, and 4 or 1 5, that is 590 rupees remains in his account. Let's see how we solve. He has 500 rupees in uh, his saving account in the beginning of the month, but he pays 120 rupees on 4/9. It means now he has 380 rupees, but he deposit 200 rupees. Then 380 plus 200, that is 680 rupees, is in her account, in his account. But the next is he also pays 240 rupees on LIC India deposit. Then we subtract 680 minus 240. Then the amount is 440. But she deposited rupees 150, that is 440, add with 150, that is 590 is the right answer. Let's see question number second. The given table show the freezing point in Fahrenheit of the different gases at sea level. Convert each of these into Celsius degree Celsius to the nearest integral value using the relation and complete the table. Let's see. The relation of Celsius and the Fahrenheit is given. Celsius is equal to 5 by 9 times of Fahrenheit minus 32. Then the freezing point level in hydrogen is given minus 435 degree Fahrenheit. Then we change in Celsius, then put the value of Fahrenheit in this relation. Then the value of the Fahrenheit is minus 435, then minus 32. Then we solve the bracket. 5 divided by 9 as it is 435 and minus 32 have the same sign. Then we add 5 and 2, that is 7. Then 3 and 3, that is 6 and 4. Then we solve. 5 divided by 9 multiply with minus 467. Then we cancel out. First we multiply 5 multiply with minus 467 divided with 9. Then we solve. 5 multiply with 467. Then we solve. 5 into 7, that is 35. 5. Then 3 carry. Then 5 into 6, that is 30. Plus 3, that is 33. Add carry with 3. Then 5 4 ja 20 plus 3, that is 23. Then 2335 divided by 9. Then we solve. 200 sorry 2335 divided with 9 to give the value of freezing point at the sea level in the Celsius. Let's see. If we divide 2335 with 9, then it gives 259.5. It means the 435 degrees Celsius. Change in Celsius that gives 259.5 degrees Celsius. Let's see. The next is krypton. The temperature on krypton at Fahrenheit is minus 251. Then put this value in this relation. Let's see how we solve. Let's see. Part second, krypton. The value gives in Fahrenheit is minus 251. Then put this value in this relation. Then we solve. First we solve the bracket that is given. 5 251 is also negative and 32 is also negative. Then we add both integer. Then we add 2 plus 1 that is 3. Then 5 plus 3 that is 8 and 283. Then we solve. 283 multiply with 5 by 9, then it gives minus 157 degrees Celsius. It means if we change minus 251 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, it gives minus 157 degree Celsius. Let's see the next is oxygen. Let's see, put the value of Fahrenheit in this relation to find out the temperature of oxygen in Celsius. Let's see. 5 by 9 times of Fahrenheit minus 32. Then the value of Fahrenheit is minus 369 minus 32. Then we solve 5 by 9 as it is. Then we solve the bracket. Both integer have same sign. Then we add minus 369 add with minus 32. That is 9 and 2 that is 11, 1 carry, then 6 and plus 3 9 or 1 10, 0 then 1 carry, and 3 plus 1 that is 4, minus 401 multiply with 5, then we solve, then it gives 223 degree Celsius. Then the temperature is 223 degrees Celsius when we change minus 369 Fahrenheit to the Celsius. Let's see. Let's see. Wait a second. See the previous question. Question number first. Then the amount at the beginning of the month is 500. Then payment is minus 120. Then we subtract that is 380. Then deposit of 200. Then we add 380 plus 200, that is 580. Let's see. Then 580 pay 240, it means subtract 240, that is 340. Then we add 340 to 150, that is 490. Let's see the question number third. What is given in question number third? Let's see. Taking today as 0 on a number line, if the day before yesterday is 17 January, then what is the day on the 3 days after tomorrow? Let's see. On a number line, taking 0 today. On a number line, if we day before yesterday, then day before yesterday is this, that is 17 January. Let's see what is the date on 3 days after tomorrow. Then after tomorrow, that is tomorrow, then 3 days after tomorrow. Tomorrow, then 3 days, 1, 2, then 3. Let's see what is given. Taking 0 on a today, 0 on a today, and if the day before yesterday, day after yesterday is 17, then that is yesterday, then day after yesterday, that is 17 January. Then today have 17 January on day after yesterday, day before yesterday, then we solve 17 January, then yesterday have 18 January, then today is 19 January. But the question is, what is the date on 3 days after tomorrow? 3 days after tomorrow. Let's see. Today is January, then tomorrow is 20 January, then the next day is 21, then 22, and the 23 January. It means 3 days after tomorrow, the day will be 23 January. Let's see again how we solve. Taking today as a 0, today as a 0, if the day before yesterday, that is 17, that is yesterday, then day before yesterday, that is 17, it means yesterday has 18 January, then today is 19 January. But the question is, what is the day on 3 days after tomorrow? Then tomorrow, after 3 days, 1, 2, 3. Then today is 19th January, then tomorrow is 20, then 21, 22, and the 23. It means 23 is the right answer. Let's see. The next is assertion and reason question. In question first, assertion, the integer on a number line form a infinity sequence. The integer on a number line have infinity integers. Let's see, 0. To the left side of the 0 indicate the negative integers in infinity. Then same as 0 on a right side indicate positive integer to infinity. It means the integer on a number line form a infinity sequence, that is 2. And the reason is a list of a number following a definite rule which goes on forever is called infinity sequence. A list of a number, let's see, -1, -2, -3 up to so on, is a list of a definite rule goes forever is called infinity sequence. That is a correct reason. It means Both assertion and reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. It means the right answer is A. Let's see the question second. Assertion: every integer is a rational number. Every integer that is 0 on a left side negative integer and this is positive integer. Then every integer is a rational number, that is 2. But an integer is a number with no decimal or fraction part from the set of a negative and the positive number including 0. This is correct. This is also true, but this is not correct explanation of this assertion. So the right answer is both assertion and the regions are correct, but region is the not correct for the explanation for assertion. It means the right answer is part B. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज ऑफ क्लास 7 चैप्टर नंबर 1. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.